Hi everyone, this is a quick screencast to help you troubleshoot a problem that some of you may be running into. You may, in either your ThingLink, your Google site, or whatever technology choice you chose for this project, you may, for whatever reason, want to link your teacher back to the actual source that you used in the database. So, for instance, maybe I found an article on Teddy Roosevelt. Maybe for whatever reason, you need your teacher to come through a link that you're providing to come actually to this article. Maybe you're linking him or her to a video. Maybe you're linking to a primary source. But for whatever reason, you want your teacher to land within the database. That can be problematic if you copy and paste this URL up here at the top. Because what we have found is that this URL is linked to your search, and your search times out. So after a period of time, this URL is no longer going to work. It's not going to get the teacher here to where you want him or her to be. Okay, and that's a problem if it's part of your project. But there is a way to maintain the URL so that your teacher can do that. Now, he might have to log in again with the passwords to the databases, but we all know where those passwords are, and that shouldn't be too much of an issue. The main thing is to preserve this URL. When you're in the Gale databases, you want to go over here to bookmark, and you're going to copy and paste this URL. And then when you're working in your Google Sites or your ThingLink, you would then just paste it in. Let's see, I can pull it up here. I think I did it. You would just paste that URL in here and save it, and it will then maintain that URL. It works a little bit differently in ProQuest. So let's say I'm in the History Study Center at ProQuest, and I have a document or an article or something special that I want to make sure my teacher gets to as part of my project. So let's say I'm going to do this historical document. Okay, this is a primary source, and I want to make sure that my teacher is part of my project, either through my ThingLink, my Google site, whatever. I need them to get here. So there's no bookmark feature, but if you look in the upper right-hand corner, there is a link that says durable URL. You want to take that, and this is what you want to copy and paste. And the copy and paste, I have to say, in the ProQuest can be a little finicky, but if you play around with it, I promise it'll get you there. See what I mean? Little persnickety. There. So I'm doing a ThingLink. So I'm going to come back over to my ThingLink. Yep. And then just going to paste it in there. Save. Get out of this here. Save image. All right. So we should, let me get my full screen here. We should, when I click read more, take me back to the article that I want my teacher to get to. Same thing over here with the one we did from Gale, which is, I think, right up here at the top somewhere, if I saved it. Yeah. Sorry, it's under my Pinterest thing. Yeah. And that's how you make sure that if you want your teacher to go back to a document or a source that you found within the database, that you can preserve that URL so that he or she can get there. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.